5 reasons why you should stay away from martial arts. Don't even think about it. These 5 were hard to come up with, but I got them, so let's get into them. In no particular order, number 1, commitment. This is a lifelong commitment. You are committed for a certain 6 months, 2 years, up to your second degree. It is a huge, huge commitment. Number 2, the cost. The cost is huge. So the cost of, even testings, tournaments, camps, clinics, the cost is huge. Next one. Number 3, testings. Now you're probably saying, what's so bad about testings? Testings is created to get the nerves up. You get very nervous at testings. If you don't like crowds, it can nerve you pretty good. All right, number 4, wrong style. You realize this is not the style that you signed up for years ago. You committed. It could be a lot of different reasons. You realize it's a fake style. Everything is fake. Nothing really works. People are just wanting your money. You never really become what you realize. You find different styles better suited for what you're actually wanting now that you know kind of what you're looking for in a martial arts, and this was not the right one. You got into this one, but you really wanted to look into this one in the beginning, but there's no way of knowing until you actually just get into one and find out that, okay, this is the right style or this is the wrong style. Let me start over. All right, number 5, the contracts. The contracts are a bit intimidating. Now, this is something you have to really look closely at. Is down in the fine print. If you feel like this is not the style for you and you want to skin out, get out of there, are they going to send collections on you? So there are your 5 reasons why you should not take martial arts. If you like this one, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.